These are some KONEs on one of the decks. There was one on the other side that was broken. We are getting... this one. I don't think I'm gonna get them both, they're just KONE. It's good then. Oh.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you. No, I'm already scared. Up. Up. Where are you going?
Second floor.
Pues, ¿y cómo se llenaría el de la película Transformers?
I don't like this. Maybe we'll switch up here. Beautiful. There's probably more elevators somewhere. I know there's another one on this deck, I think, but it's broken. All right, we'll take this down to 1. Nice pronounced chime. These suck. End of story. Holy crap. Brakes on these. Trash. What bounced? The doors. Whoa, my god. Jesus Lord. Yeah, I'm getting off this. Screw it. I'm done with this. Frick that. Yep. That's it.